Conians of Level 3. I am your science teacher, Miss Maharehan, and today in this science video, I am going to explain the activity page number 20 of unit number 6, Matter and Materials. As we have already covered our unit number 6, Matter and Materials, now this is the time to complete the activity. In the previous Zoom session, we have completed the activity of page number 19 and page number 21 is for your home assignment. Now we have to complete page number 20. Page number 20 is about matter crossword. What is matter crossword? Crossword is a puzzle which you have to complete by reading the fill in the blanks. The hints are provided to you on page number 20. One are the hint for across. Across means the horizontal lines, and second one are the hints of down. Down means vertical lines. All the fill in the blanks are given in your book. You have to read one statement and you have to guess the correct answer. Then you have to write that answer in the crossword puzzle. Continuing with these steps, your crossword puzzle will be completed. Now, first of all, I am going to explain you the fill in the blanks of across, the horizontal ones. So, the first blank is the tiny particles that matter is made up of. I have told you that matter is made up of very small particles. And what are those small particles? You have to write down the answer. The second one is solid matter does not change its. When I was explaining you the types of matter, there are altogether 3 types of matter. The first one is solid, the second one is liquid, and the third one is gas. The solid matter is the type of matter which have a particular shape and particular volume. You all know that if we take the example of ice, the cube of ice, so the cube of ice have a particular shape and particular volume. It does not change its shape. So you have to tell them that solid matter does not change its. Write down the answer. The third blank is the amount of space that matter takes up is it. We have already learned the properties of matter, and there are altogether 3 properties of matter. One is the mass, the second is the volume, and the third one is the shape. What is mass? Mass is actually the weight. What is volume? Volume is actually the space covered. For example, if I am sitting on this chair, so I am covering some space. This space covering is actually my volume. So you have to write down the answer. The amount of space that matter takes up is it. Now, the fourth blank is, this is the gas that plants need to make food. I have told you that in the process of photosynthesis, you all have already learned the process of photosynthesis. In the process of photosynthesis, plants need one gas and it releases the other gas. What is the name of that one gas which plants need? You have to write down the name of that gas. Now, the fifth MCQs. Water in solid form is. If we take the example of water, if we take water and we put that water in the freezer, so what happens? You have to write down the solid form of water. Then the next blank, matter that has a definite shape and volume is in this state. I have explained you the 3 states of matter, solid, liquid and gas. You all know which state is the one which have a definite shape and definite volume. Write down the name of that state. Then the next blank, the amount of matter something contains is it. For example, if I have sugar and I have 15 gram of sugar, so 15 gram is the matter of sugar. What is 15 gram? You have to write down that property of matter, the name of that property. So these are the blanks for across. Now moving on towards the blank of down, the vertical blanks. The first blank is water in the form of a gas is called. For example, if you put water on a stove and you give it temperature, so what will happen? The water starts boiling, and at 100 degrees Celsius, the water completes boil and it starts to evaporate. So what is the gaseous form of water? You have to write down the answer of gaseous form of water. Now moving on towards the next blank, when atoms are in this state, they move around freely. Write down the state of matter in which atoms are moving around freely. that state, you have to write down the name of that state of matter in which particles are not tightly packed. Particles are loosely packed, they are far away from each other. Now moving on towards the next blank, solid white flakes of water that fall from the sky are as. For example, if you have seen in the foreign countries, the white flakes of water fall from the sky. What are those white flakes of water called? Write down the name of that. Now moving on towards the next one. Raindrops are this state of matter. What are raindrops or what are rain? You have to write on the state of matter. It is solid or it is liquid or it is gas. Write down that state. Now the next one, the gas that humans and animals need to live. We humans need one important type of gas to live. Similarly, the animals also need one important type of gas to live. What is the name of that gas? Or remember that gas also releases from plants. Plants release that gas and we humans and animals absorb that gas and it helps us in breathing. Write down the name of that gas. Now the next one, this liquid is needed to run most cars and trucks. With the help of which liquid the cars and trucks move? Write down the name of that liquid. That is very simple. Now the last one, liquid matter takes the shape of its. As I have told you that liquid does not have a definite shape, but it have a definite volume. As liquid does not have a definite shape, so whenever we put the liquid in any of the container or in anything, the liquid takes the shape of that thing. So you have to write down the liquid matter takes the shape of its. You all know the answer. Write down that answer. Now, this is the crossword puzzle which is present in your book. You have to guess the right answer from the blanks which I have shown you in the previous slides. Then you have to write down the answer here in the crossword puzzle. Complete this crossword puzzle. So your page number 20 will be completed. So what is your home assignment level 3? Complete activity page number 20 of unit number 6, matter and materials. Please make sure to complete this page. Then inshallah we will be further moving towards the next chapter in your next Zoom session. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day, level 3.